Hi my friends, I bought some bread from the Russian store, and we have butter and we have preserves. I'll share some with you. Yay! The jelly is a black currant jelly, and I'll be talking about some bells today. I hope you're hungry today for a nice bread with butter and black currant jelly. Well, I think that I'm going to call it preserves, since I'm still a bit confused about jelly and marmalade and, so I thought I'd try this Wilkin & Sons Ltd. Tiptree black currant jelly. Preserves. Fruit growers and preservers since 1885. Tiptree. England, from England. Oh, it ought to be good. Ooh, I am proud. My husband said the meaning "ring my bells" has a sexual meaning, but it's also a song from 1975. Nine. Yeah, my husband's here too. Are you there still? I'll just type it in. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. My bell or my bells? Yes? My bell. Yeah. Ring my bell makes sense. I never thought I'd make a video like this today. I didn't even know what I should wear. But it searched YouTube. I must have been on YouTube. Hold on just a sec. Should I talk to it? Ring my bell. What's this song? It says, it's this. Song by Anita Ward. I have not heard of it before, or the lady. Silly me. Actually, I pressed play, but it actually says, I think it's maybe boring the way I make my video. Maybe I'll read it to you. Lyrics. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ding dong ding. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ring a ring a ring. Full lyrics. I'll tell you later. Just wait. My husband is bringing the bread. Please give him a thumb up. I clicked on full lyrics. I'm glad you're home. Now, did you really miss me? I guess you did by the look in your eye. Look in your eye, look in your eye. Well, lay back and relax while I put away the dishes. Put away the dishes. Then you and me can rock a bell. You can ring my bell, ring my 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 bell. The night is young and full of possibilities. Well, come on and let yourself be free. Yay! My love for you, love for you, love for you. So long I've been saving. Tonight was made for you, for me and you. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ding dong ding. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ring a ring a ring. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ding dong ding. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ring a ring a ring. I've never listened to that song, so I don't know the melody. You can ring my bell, you can ring my bell, ding dong ding, ah ah, ring it. You can ring my bell anytime, anywhere, ring it, ring it, ring it, ring it, oh. You can ring my bell, you can ring my bell, ding dong ding ah ah, ring it. You can ring my bell anytime, anywhere, ring it, ring it, ring it, ring it, oh, 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 oh. Bell, ring my bell, ding dong ding. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, ring my bell, ring a ring a ring. You can ring my bell, ding dong ding. You can ring my bell, ring my bell. It's a songwriter's Frederick Douglass Knight. Ring it. Ring it. Oh, here's my loaf of bread. Put it in a plastic bag. Let's open it. Hold on. I have to get the scissors. Handy tool. Handy, 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 handy tool. I wonder what the melody of that song is. Maybe I can get a little preview of it for you. I'll cut you a slice. Oh my god, I didn't even fix my shirt right at first. And yeah, I found the song Anita Ward, Ring My Bell, 1979. So, let's see. Oh, what happened? Again. Looks good. See if I can open it. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll show you. Hold on. I'll get you some. Hold on, you can't see. It says Tiptree, eat well, love life. It says by appointment to Her Majesty the Queen. Purveyors of Tiptree products. I was just thinking. Yeah, ring my bell, that's what it says. Well, the word is Essex. Here, let me show you what it looks like. It's a bit of a reflection of the light, hold on. It says prepared with 38 grams of fruit per 100 grams. Ingredients: sugar, black currants, 37%. And let's see, gelling agent, citrus pectin, acidity regulator, sodium citrate. I put extra preserves on for you. Enjoy. There you go, my love, enjoy. And I'll eat the end of the bread. I love that. When I grew up in Germany, nobody wanted the end of the bread, but I loved it. Yeah, there's your plate. Hold on just a second. Yeah, there you go. Mmm. 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 It says non-GMO verified. The black currant preserves. I love it. I love black currants. I had them in Germany. My aunt grew them in her garden. Maybe I'll find a picture one day. Maybe I can re-edit the video. I don't know yet. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I love it, I love it, I love it. Mm-hmm. It's good. Yum. They just keep eating and eating together. Mm. 2 slices enough. Mm-hmm. It's good. Mm. I typed in ring my bell, meaning, what does it mean to ring my bell? In slang, to ring someone's bell means to satisfy them sexually. Literally, it means to ring someone else's doorbell. I mean, someone's doorbell. So the way it is used in the song, it has 2 meanings. Ring my bell, come by and visit. Ring his doorbell and have sex with him. By the way, to ring someone's bell also has another slang meaning. Thank you for watching, my friends. Thank you for joining me today with that delicious, I almost said jelly bread, black currant preserves, butter, and beautiful, delicious bread eating time. Bye. Love ya. Till soon. Bye.